Do you want to become one of the most successful investor of all time, like Warren Buffett or Charlie Munger? Well, this video is for you. In this video, I'll walk you through 3 easy rules of overcoming losses in option trading so you can make money and become financially free as quickly as possible. Hey everyone, Cody A here. My mission is to help 100,000 people to gain back control of your life through financial freedom so that you can say yeah to more options. So subscribe not to miss what's coming. In the end, I have a special offer for you, so stick around. Let's just dive right into it. Number 1, don't lose money. Warren Buffett has unrealized losses. Even Charlie Munger has unrealized losses in the short term. Charlie Munger has been averaging down on Alibaba since Alibaba's stock price was at 245. Alibaba's stock price dropped from 310 to now around 102. So he started averaging down at 245 and then another time at 182 and then again at 145. So his average price is around 190. Right now, it's at 102. So it's almost a 50% loss for him. He put 1/3 of his personal portfolio in that stock. So I just want to say, if you haven't realized losses, you don't lose money until you sell. Most people will sell because they don't understand the stock enough. They don't have the confidence to hold the stock in the long term. They just buy the stocks thinking that the stocks will go up. In the long term, the stock price will follow the company's fundamental. There's a lot of technical analysis and many trend lines in the short term that can affect the greed or the fear of the market. But in the long term, the fundamental will dictate the stock price. If the company continue to grow, the stock price will follow eventually. And that is why Charlie Munger and Warren Buffett has been, if not currently, the most successful investor group in history. In the long term, they're averaging down on good companies that they believe in. I'm not telling you to buy Alibaba or any other stocks. The stock market can move a lot faster than the real estate market. Real estate market is a lagging indicator. So if something happens to the interest rate, the real estate price might start coming down, but it will take a much longer time. The key is, how do you deal with the changes in the market? The first thing is you need to have patience and an excellent mindset. You do not want to over leverage. You don't put in the money you cannot hold for the long term. If you think you need it right away, next month, or just hoping for a quick gain, that could be the biggest problem. If there are unrealized losses in your portfolio, that is fine. Even Charlie Munger has unrealized losses of 50% on Alibaba, and he's still holding it for the long term. So if you have stocks you believe in for the long term, you could consider not doing anything and just wait. It will likely come back in the future. Option number 2, to shake up some stocks at a loss, just a part of it, so that this way you get a lot of stress off your shoulder. However, at the same time, you still have some of the stocks that are experiencing unrealized losses just in case it bounces back up, and you can catch the upward trend. Option 3, use the dollar cost averaging strategy. If you have money on the sidelines, you are in a good position because now you can be more cautious and pick on stocks you really want to own for the long term. Or ETF. When you are investing in ETF, you're investing in a giant basket of stocks that you believe in, and you can start averaging in. If you have $100,000, put in $10,000 every week. If the stock price continue to go down, you will get an average of the multiple purchase of the stock. If the stock price reverse and start going up, you will also get an average of the increase. This way, you will get the best of the both world, investing in stock market in the balanced mindset. A lot of people ask, what's the best time to invest in anything? And the answer is today. Hold on a second. I know what you will ask. Why? Well, because many stocks has already pulled back substantially from the all-time high. The key benchmark index has already experienced a pullback. So now it's a better time than a few months ago. If you're on the sideline and if you have been waiting for a market pullback, now is the time to get in. I want to be straightforward with you. The stock market is a bit rough and cutthroat, and you can lose money quickly. You need to spend a lot of time with the trial and error, or even getting confused after watching all the YouTube videos that are available online, or it might take you a few months or even years before you have the confidence to make your first move. So if you want to speed up your journey to financial freedom, reduce the risk of losing money permanently, check out my mastermind. If you enter the market right now and know what you're doing, the risk is a lot lower and your upside are much higher. Imagine compared to the people who are already in the market 2-3 months ago. where their stocks has dropped substantially, now is a much better time. Because many people think that if their stock price drop, it will continue to decline. If the stock price goes up, it will continue to go up. In reality, if the stock price drop, it's less likely to drop more. Right now, it is almost like another February 2020 has happened in the stock market. COVID has been lingering for 2 years. Look back at those people who started investing after February 2020. Many people think they're a genius because they can buy anything and almost everything has gone up. Now, the fear has started to show again, but if you start now, you could be just like one of those people that came out of February 2020, start investing with reduced risk and enjoy the tremendous upside. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to learn how to earn 1 to 4% per month just by trading on your phone for less than 30 minutes per day. You can follow me on Facebook and Instagram and comment YouTube in the comment section below. My team or I will reach out and have a conversation with you. The first 10 people who sign up will get $500 off my mastermind. If you have any question, comment down below as well. See you next Wednesday.